What if I told you that in just 30 days, you could wake up, look in the mirror, and see a visibly slimmer, more defined waist, all without stepping foot in a gym? Sounds crazy, right? But it's 100% possible. No expensive equipment, no long workouts, just the right moves done the right way. Today, I'm revealing the 4 most powerful exercises to sculpt your waist and transform your body fast. Don't skip a second. Your transformation starts right now. Exercise number 1. Plank. The plank is one of the most powerful core exercises, perfect for tightening your midsection and strengthening deep abdominal muscles. Holding a plank engages the transverse abdominis, which acts like a natural corset, pulling your stomach in for a flatter look. Studies show that planks reduce lower back pain, improve posture, and even help prevent spinal degeneration, critical as we age. Plus, planks boost shoulder, arm, and leg strength, making it a full-body workout. To do it right, keep your back straight, engage your core, and hold for 30-60 seconds, gradually increasing over time. Exercise number 2. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks aren't just for kids. They're an amazing fat-burning, heart-healthy workout that keeps you young. This exercise fires up your metabolism, improves cardiovascular health, and helps burn belly fat fast. Studies show that high-intensity movements like jumping jacks trigger HGH, human growth hormone, your body's natural anti-aging elixir. Plus, they boost circulation, helping your skin stay glowing and youthful. Start with 30-60 seconds and focus on keeping your core tight while landing softly to protect your joints. Exercise number 3. Squats. Squats aren't just for your legs. They're a core strengthening powerhouse. Every time you squat, you engage your abs, glutes, and lower back, helping you build a solid, stable core while blasting fat. Research confirms that squats boost testosterone and growth hormone, key for maintaining muscle tone and reversing age-related muscle loss. Plus, they improve mobility, prevent knee pain, and enhance balance, crucial as we get older. Perform 15-20 reps, keeping your back straight, core engaged, and knees aligned with your toes. Exercise number 4. Burpees. Burpees are the ultimate fat-burning exercise, combining cardio, strength, and core activation in one movement. They're scientifically proven to spike metabolism, torch belly fat, and improve endurance. Studies show that just a few minutes of burpees increase oxygen uptake, slow down aging, and enhance heart health. Plus, they work your entire body, arms, chest, legs, and especially your core. Start slow with 5-10 reps, focusing on form over speed. Keep your back straight, jump explosively, and engage your abs every time. These 4 exercises are all you need to sculpt a leaner, stronger, and healthier body after 40. They burn belly fat, boost anti-aging hormones, and keep you fit for years to come. Now it's time to take action. Start today and feel the difference. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more fitness tips, and let me know in the comments which exercise you'll start with. See you in the next video.